This is a review of the Arofa rain shower system that I would highly recommend. This shower system, it has a ton of features, and one of the features that I want to talk about is that it has a 10-inch top spray, 360 degrees rotation, easy spray, clean hole. Then it has an anti-fingerprint where it could do it like pretty much you could like function all the settings with the rain shower system through your fingerprints. So that's one of the cool features that I like, that has it right over there. Then it has a brass valve that comes with that as well too. I'm gonna unbox this and show you guys what you get out of this package and show you guys how high quality the rain shower system is. So the first thing that comes out of the package is the rain shower head, and I'm gonna open this out and show you guys the beautiful matte satin finish that it comes with, that I'm going to show you guys right now. So right here we get pretty much the hot and cold, the plastic that goes around it, and right here is the rain shower head. Look how beautiful the matte finish looks like on the shower head. I love how this looks like. It stands on top of here, and that is pretty much the hook where it hooks onto the, it comes with that. It has it right over there that I'll show you guys in a minute. And what it comes with this as well too is pretty much the motor that comes with for the shower. And this is right here. It's the hardware that comes to install it. Right from the top of the bat, the quality is really amazing. I love the finish, the matte, beautiful finish that it came with. And I'm going to take some of the stuff out and show you guys more in detail. So what I love about this Arofa shower head system is that it comes with the faucet as well too. So it comes pretty much like a 2-in-1 system. So you can use this and also the shower head, and this is the faucet. And I love how the faucet, the thing that it comes with is really long and it's stretchable. It's pretty long. So if you're showering and you need a faucet, this will do the job as well too. And the quality, like I said, is really amazing. This is the motor that it comes with. The installation, if you do not know how to install this, then you probably do need someone to, pretty much like a plumber, someone to install it. But the quality overall, it looks really amazing. I would highly recommend the Arofa shower head system if you're looking to remodel your home, or you're just wanting to, get your outdated shower head out of the way. Then this one is definitely a improvised system when it comes to a new look, because the matte finish looks really beautiful. And I just overall love the shower head system. Pretty much the hardware that comes with are pretty much there's not like a whole lot of stuff that it comes with, and so that means that probably, depending on the installation, should be a little bit easy. I'm not too sure on that, but if you know how to do the install yourself, go for it. But if not, then I recommend hiring a installer. But anyway, I would highly recommend this shower head system because of how it looks really amazing, just from opening the package up and seeing how high quality the finish is. And the material is really good as well too. It's like a metal feeling as well too. I would highly recommend this if you're looking to improvise your home, or you're looking for a new shower head system. Then this one is probably one of the best ones.